Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to perform the picture and sound test to your Samsung LED 32-inch HD TV. And this one is the normal TV, it's not the smart TV. And to perform the picture and sound test, first of all you need to press the manual on your remote control. The manual button is located here, so just point to the TV and then you go all the way down to support here and select, and now you select the cell diagnosis, and now you can see the word picture test here and the word sound test is below here. So now we want to test the picture first, so all the picture will display like this, so you can find out any black mark or any error on the screen. So you can find out if there are any error, you just select no, but if any error, again it's time out. And if any error happen on the screen, you just press to the right button and select yes. And now you can see the detail of your TV. There are the model's code, and it says model's code, software version, and serial number on the back of the TV. You can see the nameplate that stick on the TV, and you can take photo of this image and inform to your dealer or your service to get the information of the TV. Okay, now it's time for the sound test. So when you select the sound test, it have the sound come from the TV. It's just the testing sound that it will be okay or not. You can turn the volume on or turn the volumes down. If there is nothing, if there's a problem, you just press to the yes button, and then the same message is alert to your TV screens again, and you just confirm it and then return. And I think that's all for how you can perform the picture and sound test on your Samsung LED HD TV. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.